Yes, you had the story earlier about how to keep cool and talked about how quickly your car can heat up if you have pets or children inside.
Yes, and I put this little thermometer. It's not reading the temperature of the car. It's at 96 degrees now because I took it inside, but I accidentally left it in the car for about a half an hour and it reached 126 degrees in the car. So yes, it heats up really quickly, especially on these days when you see plenty of sunshine. And in addition to the sunshine, temperatures are going to be warming up quickly because we do have some breezier conditions out of the south, so that is helping. Right now, temperatures are already in the 80s. We are sitting at about 86 degrees with plenty of sunshine, and it is breezy. Those winds are out of the southwest at 17 miles per hour. They will remain on the windier side throughout the day. We'll see southwest wind at about 19 miles per hour here about 5 p.m. That's not including those wind gusts. They could be a little bit higher at times, but temperatures are going to be on the warm side. It looks like we will see about 92 degrees by 5 p.m. And once they get past 5 p.m., it looks like we do have a chance to see some isolated showers, maybe even a pop-up thunderstorm. So we'll talk more about that coming up. It looks like
we've been talking about drier air making its way into the region, and as you can see, those dew points, and they're pretty comfortable out there. They are sitting in the 50s. We started out the week with those dew points in the 70s, so it was really muggy on Monday, but they have been decreasing over the last 2 days.
That cold front that was moving through is taking it all with it, so good riddance. We are finally seeing some sunshine, and clouds will continue to decrease too. And with that sunshine, good news, we will be seeing temperatures warm up as we make our way into the afternoon. So here's a look at satellite and radar. As you can see, those clouds and rain showers are moving off to the east, allowing for us to see plenty of sunshine in the region. We still do have some clouds, but overall, we will continue to clear out as we make our way through the afternoon. We do have an area of high pressure that will start to settle in. Taking a look at temperatures right now, we are sitting at 65 degrees here in Lima, but as I mentioned, with that sunshine, we will be warming up into the lower to mid 70s for today, but it looks like a beautiful weekend ahead. We'll talk more about that coming up.
And also for some flooding issues. Again, some streams could still be over their banks this morning. Right now, we are on the clear side. You can see we do have some clear skies with just a few clouds in the region. Those rain showers have moved out of the area, but let's take a look at those rain showers that moved through yesterday. We had some heavier bands set up along northern Allen County into lower Putnam County and in Van Wert. That was thanks to a very slow moving cold front that moved through yesterday. It actually almost became pretty much stationary. That's why we saw some of those heavier bands of rain showers just set up over the region, and did produce a decent amount of rainfall over the area. We did have some rain totals come in from yesterday. The highest report was in Caro at about 6.25 inches. We had some decent amount of rainfall throughout the region, a little bit less here in Lima at about 1.3 inches. But overall, we're still dealing with some flooding issues around the region. We do have some flood warnings out, and we'll take a look at that coming up in the full forecast.
The last several days have been a little bit on the toastier side, but believe it or not, we still have not hit 90 degrees this summer. Yesterday, we came close. We hit 89 degrees. I think we've got a good shot of maybe getting close to the 90-degree mark once again for today. Yeah, pretty much. It's like, let's just get it over with at this point. Right now, temperatures are sitting at 84 degrees, and it is quite muggy out there. Those dew points are in the 70s. Factoring those in with the actual air temperature, it feels more like 90 degrees outside, so it's going to be another toasty day. And we do have some rain showers and thunderstorms on the way, so we'll take a full look at the forecast coming up.
Well, folks, we did not hit 90 degrees yesterday. We still came close. We saw 88. The day before, we saw 89, but we still have yet to hit 90 degrees this summer. And it doesn't look like we are going to be seeing 90-degree temperatures as we end the month of August. Today, temperatures, they are going to be a little bit cooler, even though this morning they are still starting off on the warmer side. We are in the lower 70s, but we're not going to get as warm today. It looks like we will be staying in the lower 80s. For this morning, though, we are dealing with some fog, so if you are headed out and about, take a little bit extra time to get to your destination and make sure that you turn on your lights when you are driving. But this fog will clear as we make our way through the morning. And as I mentioned, temperatures, they'll be a little bit cooler for today. It'll feel a little more comfortable as well. We'll see some temperatures in the lower 80s, and those dew points, they will be dropping as we make our way through the day. They'll be back into the lower 60s and even some 50s by tomorrow. And today we do have a slight chance for some showers, so we'll take a look at the forecast coming up. Good morning. Temperatures are definitely on the chilly side. We've got those temperatures in the lower 40s to mid 40s. So it's a cooler morning out there. If you are headed out and about, definitely want to wear a jacket, especially for the kids headed out to the bus stop as well. Right now we're seeing 43 degrees here in Lima, as well as Delphus, 41 in Deschler, a little bit warmer, slightly warmer in Kenton at 45 degrees, as well as Van Wert. You're also sitting at 45 degrees. Temperatures, they will warm up for today. We've got clear skies, so that's helped to keep things a little bit on the cooler side this morning, but that also means plenty of sunshine for today, and that will help to warm us up, as well as some winds out of the south. Temperatures are definitely going to be a bit warmer compared to yesterday, but still a little bit under average. Here's your morning planner. About 8 a.m. we'll see temperatures still in the lower 40s, but again, we're going to be seeing plenty of sunshine for today. About 55 by 10 a.m. By noon, we're making our way to 64 degrees, and it looks like temperatures, they will be making their way into the lower 70s for today. But we've got temperatures continuing to warm up throughout the week and plenty more sunshine, so we'll take a full look at the forecast coming up.